Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to pick an approach now. Create a new account, add an alias, or host mail on a custom domain with Google Workspace. Once you decide, buy the domain and keep its admin login handy. Next, sign into your current Google account and verify recovery info and payment details so setup won't stall. Make sure you have domain DNS access. You will update MX and TXT records. Start Workspace signup, or prepare to create the alternative Gmail address immediately after domain purchase. Begin Google Workspace enrollment and follow verification steps. Add the TXT record your provider gives you, then wait for DNS propagation, which can take minutes to 48 hours. Once verified, set MX records exactly as Workspace specifies so mail flows to Google. If you prefer a simpler change, add a send as alias inside Gmail settings, send the verification code to that address, and confirm. During these middle steps, check propagation with your registrar and keep a browser tab open for verification codes and admin console options. Finish by setting the new address as your default send as and updating signatures and contact info. Send test emails to and from multiple providers to confirm delivery. Adjust SBF, DKIM, and DMARC in DNS for better deliverability. If messages don't arrive, first check MX and TXT propagation with your registrar, then clear cache, reboot your mail client, and re-verify ownership if needed. If forwarding fails, confirm rules and retention settings. One troubleshooting tip: DNS misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.